Introducing ELEK Cable High Voltage software for custom cable rating calculations up to any AC voltage and for DC cables in full compliance with IEC standards. A very wide range of installation conditions are covered, including in air, shaded or exposed to sun, in groups, buried direct, with or without soil dryout, in duct banks, buried in backfilled trenches, unfilled cable troughs, ventilated tunnels, risers and J-tubes, and finite element method. Custom cables can be modelled from datasheets using the graphical cable model editor. There is also a huge database of pre-modelled cables included. Cable bonding arrangements can be changed between solid with or without regular transposition, single point or cross-bonded. Cable operating temperature may be customized or circuits given a fixed current. Using the transient module, you can easily determine the emergency and cyclic rating of single-core and multi-core circuits. The finite element method module can model cable installations way beyond the limitations of the IEC standards, such as multiple zones of soil with different thermal resistivity. There are several modules included for calculating multiple cable crossings, magnetic field density, short circuit ratings and sequence impedances, and randomly filled cable trays. Using ELEK Cable HV software, the basic cable current rating design process is as follows. Select the cable model. Specify the common inputs. Select and customize the installation conditions. Cable current ratings are updated and displayed live as changes are made. Comprehensive PDF or direct to Microsoft Excel reports can be easily generated. Please download a free trial from www.elek.com.au.